Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. This week I want to talk about gluing up tabletops. The traditional way to glue up a tabletop is you go to the store, you select your slabs. The next step is to take your track saw and cut off the live edge so you end up with a pretty straight line. And then you take these boards to the planer joiner where you shape them into boards that are right angled with a consistent thickness. And that is why solid wood tables are so expensive. It is a lot of work to get a natural slab into a perfectly dimensioned board. And once all your boards are straight and perfect, you can glue them together. This is how it's usually done. And as I said, it is a lot of work. And as you know, I am very impatient. So I try to come up with a solution that makes things a little bit quicker and more interesting for me, and I think I have a pretty cool idea. I am in love with this technique. It has so many upsides. I especially love that you can work with much narrower boards, and usually the smaller boards are less expensive and they have the more exciting grain patterns. It also allows you to, I don't know, work a little less precise. By cutting two pieces at the same time, the cut will end up pretty perfect. Also, you don't need the planer jointer, you just need a bandsaw and a router. You could probably, depending on the thickness of your boards, you could probably do this with a jigsaw as well. I don't know, try it. It is way easier to get a perfect fit this way because it just happens automatically, which I like. It allows you to get the most out of your slab. You have less waste, that means you get more for your money. I think it might even help with the glue up because you don't have a straight line, but a wobbly line, and that just makes your glue surface bigger. And most of all, and that's the most important reason for me, it looks super cool. It looks very, very organic. I often think when I sit at a solid wood tabletop, you can spot the straight lines immediately and it looks, I don't know, it looks off. And I think this way it looks super organic, especially if you cut the sides nice and crisp. It is such a nice contrast. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. I had a fantastic time in the shop, figuring this out, playing with this new technique, and just thinking with my hands. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of content, leave me a comment or a like or subscribe to my channel. I think I never said that in 5 years of YouTube. I never said subscribe to my channel. Either way, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.